Hello and welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at deploying an application to an unmanaged workstation using Scense. And for the purposes of this demo, we're going to assume that you've already got Scense set up and running correctly and deploying applications. So this is our Scense admin computer here, and we can see that we've already got Foxit Reader being deployed along with a few other default applications there, and Foxit Reader is being deployed to the domain admins group. So what we're going to do now is show how to set up an unmanaged client, and we'll deploy an application to it. So here we have a unmanaged workstation, and we can see here that it's just connected to a work group, so it's not part of the domain. And what we're going to do is install the Scense unmanaged client on this machine. It's only a 6 meg file, so it's not a very big file to give to clients to install on their machines. It's a really basic setup process here. Just follow the prompts, clicking next. So the server name is the name of your Scense server, and the details for unmanaged use is the login server, so your domain controller. So just some really straightforward settings there. And we'll just wait for it to install. So the benefit of this is going to be obviously in a BYOD environment where you've got end users bringing in their own device, and Scense will give you a way to manage the deployment of application to their devices. So you're decoupling that application layer from the OS, and you're not having the applications as part of your, golden image as such. You can deploy them on the fly to users. Okay, so once we've finished the installation of that unmanaged client, we'll go ahead and run it. And you can see here that on the first login it's going to ask us for our domain username and credentials. So we'll go ahead and log in as the administrator user. And we can set these to remember the user password, sign in automatically, and start the client at login, just so it's transparent to the user then. So we'll go ahead and we'll sign in. And once we sign in, you can see here that Scense will collect the user information and load all the appropriate scripts and push out the appropriate applications. So there you go. You can see that Foxit Reader is now on the desktop there. If we open up the Scense client, first of all we can sign out if we'd like to log into a different user, now that we've set it to log in automatically. Information about the machine is here, just as it is on the managed client. Printers, if we wanted to move printers across, which we can see we've got here. Settings, applications, and the status. And there we have it. So now if we double click on Foxit Reader, you can see here that it's going to prompt and it's going to install on first run, which is the settings we've got it set up for within our deployment. And Foxit Reader opens and we're all good to go. Now if we look at the applications, we can see that it's installed. So it's easy as that, deploying applications to unmanaged workstations with Scense. Thanks, and we'll see you again soon.